Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Stripe account test mode. If you're considering integrating Stripe into your business for seamless payment processing, or simply want to explore Stripe's capabilities, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, head over to Stripe's official website at stripe.com. Look for the Start Now or Sign Up button and click on it. This will take you to the registration page, where you can create a new account. Enter your email, full name, and a secure password. Don't forget to select your country. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. Stripe may prompt you to verify your email address, so be sure to check your inbox and confirm your account creation. Once verified, you'll be directed to the Stripe dashboard. Here, take a moment to set up your profile by providing any additional information that Stripe requires. Accurate information is crucial for ensuring your account functions smoothly and securely. After filling out all necessary details, look for an option to agree and submit to confirm your profile setup. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Stripe account. Now you can enable test mode, which allows you to simulate transactions without processing real money. This feature is perfect for testing Stripe's functionalities and integrations without the risk of actual charges. In test mode, you can use generated test card numbers to mimic real transactions, offering you a risk-free environment to familiarize yourself with Stripe's interface. Feel free to explore Stripe's extensive features and experiment within the test mode. If you have any questions, refer to Stripe support documentation for detailed guidance on maximizing your Stripe account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Stripe's powerful tools for payment processing.